In the hospital management, I can develop the CRUD operations, save, get all, get by ID, based on ID update, based on ID deleted, check the empty the MySQL database using the nothing is there. You can save the save, update to delete to everything is there. The post to request for the patients at the age, contact to disease, gender, send the request. It can be saved to the MySQL database. Yes, so this is the response. Check in the MySQL database, run the query. See, data is updated. One more data I can update. You can change the name. Mobile number, send the request, can be saved within the database, run the MySQL query. See, data is updated. Now next, perform the get operation. It will get the all patient details. Send the request. Have the current now two details, two patients details, Harish and Ramesh. Okay, based on ID, we can get the data. For example, one ID, only get the ID of one Harish. For example, see the two patient. Same as in the console, we can see the queries. This is the in setting data. This is the all get all patient details. This based on ID, where condition ID same. Next, we will see the updates. Put request. So Harish to change the, for example, age to 30. Send the request. Harish age 30 can be changed to 30. Sorry, Ramesh. Ramesh age change to run the query to see Ramesh age is 30. Next, we perform the delete operation. For example, delete second patient, second one Ramesh. Okay. Successfully deleted patient record. Now again run the query. See, delete the record. This is the CRUD operation for the hospital management system.